Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think about my latest work? You may be getting deja vu because it's very similar to the one that's on the Bleak House wall. Often the commissions are remakes of things that have already been sold that people have seen and want and it's gone. I don't mind making them again. I see it a bit like a concert pianist playing the same symphony again. I always change them so that each piece is unique, of course. This one is bigger than the original one and it's white. And it's off to Cyprus, so I think it's going to have a really lovely time poolside on the beautiful Cypriot sun. I can already imagine it. It's going great. It's going to be great. It's off on holiday and it ain't coming back. Even Mr. Hodge is impressed. As usual, I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. With my tail stuck in my mouth, I can't tell my north from my south. I learned how to do this on a fish market stall, and now I'm the whiting on the wall.